Hey, what's up, guys? Gonna teach you how to get rid of your dirty laundry and clean your dirty laundry. First thing, you gotta bring the supplies, which is all the clothes. It's nasty and dirty clothes. You just put it all in, and then you separate, and then you start taking the separation anxiety, because they don't want to be away from their friends. You gotta add the fluids. I go with Gain and Titty.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Pour that into the bleach. Yo, this is a pro tip right here. Check it out. You leave that, you let that drip. You get all the dripping out of it. Get most of your money. Same thing with Gain. Put in some bleach. Close sesame. Insert your card. And beep.